As you can see, our trade is going in our favor right now, but with only 30 seconds left, we won our first trade of this compounding session. My balance is now $91, so let's find a trade for $91. We have a trade on American Express OTC. If this candle closes as a green candle near the middle envelope level, we can consider a downside move. The candle retraced and closed as a green candle near the middle level, so I took a downside trade with $91. The trend was already down, and the candle was moving within the envelope levels, which confirmed the trade. The trade is also going in our favor, and with only 30 seconds left, we won our second trade. My balance is now $171, so let's find a trade for $171. Now we have a trade on Boeing Company OTC for a downside move. I placed a $171 trade, and the candle is moving in our favor. As you can see, there was an uptrend previously, but the candle broke the envelope levels and turned into a downtrend. The candles are also facing resistance from the top levels, so I took this trade in the direction of the trend. With only 25 seconds left, the trade is still going in our favor. And we won our third trade. My balance is now $328. Let's find a trade for $328. I hope you guys understand how to take trades with the envelope indicator. Let's check for a cryptocurrency trade. However, there is no trade available in cryptocurrencies, so let's move on to currency pairs. I found a trade on the Euro HOF OTC pair and placed a $328 trade for the upside move. As you can see, there was an uptrend and the candle was taking support from the envelope levels. The trade is currently in our favor, but with 35 seconds left, we won our fourth trade. My balance is now $630. Let's find a trade for $630. I checked a potential trade on Cisco, but the candle had already reversed, so we'll avoid that one. I also looked at American Express, but the candle had already moved too far down, so we'll skip that too. Alright, let's look for a trade on cryptocurrencies for $630. There's a trade available on CAD JPY. If this candle closes near the level, we can place a trade for the downside move on CAD JPY. The candle closed near the level, so I placed a trade for the downside move worth $630. As you can see, when I placed the trade, the candle started moving in our favor. There were 25 seconds left, and the trade continued moving in our favor. With only a few seconds left, we won another trade. My balance now turned into $1,209. So let's find a trade for $1,209. On Netflix, I got a trade and placed a $1,209 trade for the upside move. As you can see, there was an uptrend, and the candle gave us an entry near the middle level, so I took the trade for the upside move. The trade was going in our favor, but there was still 35 seconds left. With only a few seconds left, we won the trade. My balance turned into $2,322. So let's find a trade for $2,322. Let's check for a trade on currency pairs again. I found a trade. If this candle closes near the level, I'll place a trade for the downside move. I got the entry near the level, so I placed a trade for the downside move worth $2,322. The trade was moving in our favor, but with only 10 seconds left, we won another trade. My balance now turned into $4,458. So let's look for a trade for $4,458. we have a trade on McDonald's OTC. I placed the trade for the upside move. As you can see, there was an uptrend previously, and the candle was taking support from the level. We got a good entry near the middle level, so I took this trade for the upside move. The trade was going in our favor, but with 40 seconds left, I was still waiting. With only a few seconds left, we won another trade. My balance turned into $8,024. Now, let's look for a trade for $8,024. We've already made a good profit, so if we get another trade, I'll place it. Otherwise, we'll stop here. Looking for a trade on currency pairs again, I found one on your CHF. If this candle gives us an entry near the level, I'll place a trade for the downside move worth $8,024. I got the entry and placed the trade for the downside move. As you can see, there was a downtrend and the candle was taking resistance from the bottom level. The trade wasn't going in our favor at first, but it came back and now the trade was moving in our favor. With only 15 seconds left, the trade continued in our favor. And we won another trade. My balance turned into $15,406. We made a great profit with the help of the envelopes indicator. If you guys enjoyed the video and learned something about this new indicator, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on this indicator. Also, don't forget, if you want to join us, the link is in the description, and you can text us on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. It's free of charge. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.